I cooked tagliatelle with meatballs. But one meatball disappeared. I did 8 and now we have 7. Me ha quemado la garganta. Uf. Cleaning outfit. La madre que me parió. We have inspection today. So Leo did almost everything. I washed the dishes. I will take breakfast so I can run after. And I just need to finish with the table. The house was good. It was just so messy and we needed to tidy up. How many teas I have to sleep? No, I have some that are like for do floating, like when you are big to be not that big. And then I have these 2 teas for sleeping that I'm not taking because I'm taking the CBD now. Leo's bottle of water. What should I do with this? Panettone. Oh, it looks fine. My glass of water. Always keep hydrated. Tell me guys, do you think I'm more skinny? I ran 2 times, not yesterday. Because yesterday I have 12 hours shift and I wanted to die. My coffee that I will use now because I'm doing my bread for my breakfast. That's why I look this skinny, because I didn't eat yet. This was already in its place. This is my cup of breakfast, of coffee. I have another one that is so cute, but this one is bigger. My milk. Leo's bottle of water that I will put out there. This, that I don't know where he found it. Another 2 cups. This one is a little bit broken because it's plastic. I bought it in Spain when I went on my holidays last year because I had one friend, Teresa.
I play Dota.
Teresa, that anytime she came home, she broke some glass. So I bought plastic ones that were cute, so she couldn't break it. And it's actually like the first day she just dropped it. But it didn't break. But now it's a little bit break because Leo didn't know that we can wash it with hot water. I had 2. The other one was even more cute and it completely broke. And I was really sad, but he was even sadder than me. Sadder? More sad? But he was really like, oh no, I'm sorry. It's fine. Ooh, my coffee is done. And my bread. Another cup of water. Look how many cups do we have here. My bottle of water. These vitamins that Leo doesn't want to throw because they are vitamins and he doesn't know where from. But anytime we see this package, he's like, no, don't throw it. They are vitamins. Anytime we keep it and he doesn't take it. Rubik Cube. This gum. My lactose pills. Ooh, my nail remover. This is from the other day that Leo was punching me with the gun, shooting me. This that we didn't want to throw because it was so cute. Happy Hippo box with hot Happy Hippos because I ate 2 of them yesterday. You see, tape, always necessary. Ooh. This is from the deliveries. And I have there more things like guns, water guns. Kill the spider with this because they don't have a spider killer in the country of spiders. And this one, of course. Bread is made. So here it is. My breakfast. Wow, there you go. There is nothing I like more than fucking toast with oil and salt. Good evening, my friends. I just finished work and I have been doing deep cleaning, as you see. Well, I took lunch and breakfast today and I didn't have time to clean it, so the sink is full of things. And I will clean it, but before I will clean this. And you will be like, why will you clean that? It's that bad. Yes, like this part is fine. Okay. Because it's where we have like the glasses and the plates, but this and this full of bullshit. Leo me already have like throw a lot of things, but it's still bad. So let's take everything out to check what is there. It's really bad because they are so deep, so it's so difficult to take the things once you put it there. So we were like not using it and we were using the table and the kitchen because if you put something there you will not find it after. It's horrible. So let's see what can I found. The other day I found some potatoes. They were like alive.
Esa planta es la...
¿Lo ves desde la cámara?
Ay, Dios.
Pero ¿cómo hemos dejado aquí unas patatas? Yo no me acuerdo de haber dejado aquí ninguna patata. Ay, es que me da como bastante cosa sacarlo. Hostia puta, que estoy enganchada. Ay, que se ha quedado mitad de la... ¡Ah, no! ¡Que hay 2 paquetes, Leo!
2 patatas grandes que se han juntado entre ellas.
¿No te parece normal lo que tenemos en el...
Espera, que no sé qué es.
La madre que me parió.
If I wanted to put it in a pot, I think I could grow potatoes. I am really messy, but Leo always says like, oh, you have a lot of things there I can't clean because half of the things are yours. And then I found that almost everything is his, just that he doesn't remember buying it. I will be fine if I found less than 10 fucking packages of tuk. Open tuks. Open tubes. I tell Leo, he's like, no, you are lying, you're just being dramatic. Malteser's biscuit. 9 of March of 2025. And today is 8th of August. 25 February. Open cookies. Some rice that I never use. I have never seen this in my life. I thought I didn't have any popcorn, but I do. A trill open. And this is, it's 2 bars and it's just one eat, like some of my teas. 2 of them are for sleeping, because I can't sleep. And 2 of them are for getting skinny. Like, what the fuck? Why is everything half open? And some tuna. Now, let's bleach it. I bought this bleach in Super Value and I was like, oh, it's the cheap one. And then it was expired. And this section is from Diony. He was the one who merchandised it and didn't check. And he was like, oh, there was a old trolley there, and blah, 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 blah. Oh, so that's why, blah, 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 blah. It's your job. Oh, this is expired. So I will put these things in a bag for Diony. These things. All tea from Spain. It's more rice here. Open sweets and chips. New one. I already have one full. Okay, these things are things I'm using it a lot. This I ate a lot, but it's open and it was like there, so I will throw it. And this is already expired. I eat almost everything, but it's too big, the package for just one person. More open chips, dried mango, closed Pringles. I don't know. Open Oreo. And an open bag of pistachio. This bag that is almost empty, so I bought a new one. I love this too. And this one, they are so nice. Turrón, I forgot I have it here. Expired. Carrilleras estofadas con reducción al mencía. Braised pork cheeks with mencía reduction glaze. What the fuck is that? Disgusting. More soup. Oh my god, he on the fucking tube. It's 9:30 in the morning. I will do my breakfast while I'm starting cleaning. So what's the breakfast of today? Coffee and bagels with hummus and tomato. I saw the recipe in Pinterest. I don't know how it will taste. Last bagel. Torradora. This is my ride or die. I'm going to try this one. Let's see how, because it looks good. I had a date with one guy. Well, 2 dates with that guy. He was really nice, actually. And he recommended me this one. Let's see. It smells good. I don't know how it will taste. Hostia. It tastes like pepper. Oh, it looks good. And then salt, little bit of black pepper, and parsley. My breakfast. The moment of the truth. I have all the plants there, so I can just... Oh yeah? It's good. It's actually so good. I didn't thought it was going to taste like this. It's really nice. So let's see what can we find here. Tea. Turrón. Turrón is the typical dessert that we take at Christmas in Spain. Coconut milk. More turrón. This noodle. This is colacao. This one is fine. And this one is almost finished, so I will throw it because it's like nothing here. I almost throw this too. Cookies. Noodles. Oh, this is from Christmas. I love these ones. But the problem is that I can't take them anymore. More open pistachio. Spaghetti for my boyfriend. There was one guy here that was called Thomas. There have been 3 Thomas. It was the last one. And I never worked with him. I saw him like not that much times, but I was in love with him. He was my crush. Anytime he was around, I was like, hello, Thomas. So when he left, because he got fired, him, Diony, Ricardo, Pablo, Sharka, and I was so sad actually. And he told me, do you want something? And I was like, oh, everything. So he gave me things and I was just like, I don't know. I was just like, oh my god, it's from him. So yes, whatever. And I have actually his hoodies. And I used them actually. And the worst part is like Diony told him when he was driving him to the new place he was going to live, because he's still in Ireland. Well, I don't know right now, but he was going to still in Ireland. He told him like, oh, Julia had a crush on you. And he was like, what? I would never imagine. You have seen my face anytime he was around. Like, I was like, stop everything I was doing, and I was like, just like, no. This is from Leo. These are empty boxes. This one is closed. What the fuck? I will give it to Diony, and I will keep the note. I can't keep all the box, but I can keep like part of the box. This was a gift from Eliska. I think it was in holidays. Was in March maybe. When I went to holidays, I came and in the canteen it was this. It was so nice. I miss Eliska so much. Hey, I have macarrones. And more tea from Micaela when she was living here. Chuf with my expired bleach. I think I will buy a box for all the teas and have it inside a cute box or something. I bought this because we had a lot of cookies. They are so cute, right? More rice. Sugar, more serious. Leo told me that this is not from him because he will never take these ones, but it's for sure not from me. So I don't know who is the owner of this because there is no one else living here. Everest Masala. What the fuck is this? This. I will keep this one if it's not expired. I never use it, but I want to use it. I always forget that I have it here. Oh no, it's expired from November. And this one that is for make bread or pizza. Oh, there is one Italian bread that I like to do. Focaccia. This? That is still from the potatoes. Oh god. See you next time.